What's good, YouTube? It is Digital Hustler back with another video. Y'all, look, in today's video, as y'all can see, is a different setup, man. I usually don't record on my PC / trade setup for this channel, Digital Hustlers. I usually do it on my Forex DHS, where I just show y'all my trades in X, Y, and Z. But we're doing it different today, man. We're doing it different. God called me upon this video to just spit some knowledge and some information that a lot of people, I know people have been seeing it on the news or social media, their friends, people at work, talk about cryptos, right? As y'all can see by the title. Now today in this video, I will be telling y'all what cryptos I am, letting y'all know what are cryptos, how I learned about them, how you can invest, and also, well, I already said show y'all what I meant, but X, Y, and Z. And we gonna see where this video takes you. Where this video goes, where this information just takes me. Cause like I said, I was really finna go eat, go to sleep, because I was like, man, listen, man, you see what's going on, share this information. And as y'all do know, for those that don't know, I am a 21-year-old entrepreneur. I have a clothing brand. I have YouTube, of course. That's the platform that y'all watching me on right now. And I also trade / invest. I trade Forex, I invest into cryptos, and looking to get into stocks in a bit, X, Y, and Z. But yeah, so pretty much with that being said, intro to who I am, like I said, 21-year-old entrepreneur, and how I got presented to all this information of the financial literacy was through this company called I Am Academy, which I know a lot of people have heard about in the past. Around COVID time, I Am Academy was that big pyramid scheme that a lot of people called it. Me personally, I learned a lot from it, turned me up for life, changed my whole mentality into like everything that I think about and stuff. So, I was presented self-development, X, Y, and Z. I don't want to get too much into detail. I have made videos in the past. We're talking about cryptos today and how you can get started into crypto. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video, where I'm going to give y'all that information. Now, look, y'all, this is my third time recording this video, bro. It's my third time recording this video. So I feel like the universe is testing me right now, but we're going to get it done. And I'm going to show y'all what I am in. So, like I said, cryptos, learned about it about 2 to 3 years ago. Been hip ever since. Just been studying it, following people that know what they're talking about, and doing my research for myself, right? I am not a financial advisor by any means. Take this video as just guidance, me showing y'all what I'm in. If you feel as though that you have the financial capacity and just knowledge behind the crypto as to what I'm showing, you can invest. And like I said before, do your own research, X, Y, Z. Now, let's get into it. So, what are cryptos? Now, cryptos in the sense is just like stocks. Stocks is a building, corporation, company that has utility, and as that stock / company goes up, then your money goes up as well, right? Cryptos is the same way. And when I look this way, I'm looking at my screen, I'm looking at myself. So just for people to be like, why you keep looking back and forth? Like I said, I don't usually record on the setup, so it's new for me. But I'm gonna focus on here. I'm gonna focus on y'all and let y'all know what's going on. Now, cryptos, like I said, is like a stock. However, cryptos is more so of a coin, though. It's not a building. It's not a corporation. It's not a company. Well, it is, like, they do have corporations and different type of things that work behind it in the system. However, it's a digital currency, right? It's a virtual currency. A lot of people have been using cryptos for years and don't even know it. Since 2010. Let me name a couple of y'all that I know. Let me name 3 that I know a lot of people know about, right? GTA. When y'all buy money on GTA, I forgot what's the name of it, but NBA 2K, the VC, the virtual currency. Sims, when you pay US dollars to get things into that game or that app's currencies, that is digital currency, that is crypto. You're using your US dollars to get a virtual currency, a digital currency, something that you cannot hold, right? So with that being said, it is the same thing with investing into these cryptos like you do with games or apps on your phone, where you use your money to buy that virtual currency. So with that being said, now that I spoke about what are cryptos are good like stocks if they have utility behind it. There's a lot of cryptos that are coming out that don't have no utility behind it. So that's why some people buy into a crypto, lose their all money, lose all their money within a month or two, and be like, oh, I'm not gonna get into it. Listen, you're not getting profit or you're not seeing a return because you're getting into cryptos that have no utility behind it, have no reason to even be present, right? Your favorite artist, your favorite rapper, or your favorite TV star probably posted about a crypto and talked about it on their IG page. They probably got paid out. They probably don't even know what they're talking about. That's why I always tell people, even though someone tells you something, always do your own research. Always go behind the scenes and see what's behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? Because there's always something behind the scenes. Now, I'm not going to get too much into detail with that right now. I'm going to talk about that in another video. So make sure you subscribe and like this video to be hip, to be tuned. Because listen, like I told y'all before, there's a lot of good information on here. So with that being said, just giving y'all the runaround about what are cryptos, how to get into it. That's what I'm going to show y'all in just a bit. I'm going to show y'all what I'm in personally, which I've been in for about almost 4 years now. I've been trading since I've been in high school, and over time, learning about cryptos and seeing what they're doing and the capability, I started investing. And I'm gonna show y'all 7 cryptos that I'm in personally that I really do believe are gonna blow up like crazy, and you can have the best returns on it. All right. So I don't want to confuse people, so I'm gonna give y'all a runaround as to what is on my screen. Like I said, this is my 3rd time, so I forgot all about this. I'm gonna show y'all what the definition of cryptos is on Google. So initially, a cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is an alternative form of payment created using encryption's algorithms. The use of encryption technologies means that cryptocurrencies functions both as a currency and as a virtual accounting system. To use cryptocurrencies, you need a cryptocurrency wallet. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all how to get that in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Now, so pretty much we got that out the way as to what the definition is on Google, so it's a little bit more explanation as to what you're getting yourself into if you do not know what you're getting yourself if you do not know what you're getting yourself into, of course. Now, like I said, I'm going to give y'all 7, but I want y'all to hear me out as to what I'm saying and to pretty much just the logic behind it. Okay, so Bitcoin is the one that everyone knows about. Your grandma knows about Bitcoin. Your dogs, friends, pet, brothers, sister, dogs, they know about Bitcoin too. Everybody knows about Bitcoin. And if you don't know about Bitcoin, you must be under a rock, because Bitcoin has literally been being talked about even more now that it had this big outbreak ever since the election, which was around November 4th, which is right here, right? This is where Bitcoin was on November 4th. Let me do a little dot right there, okay? You know what? I'm going to do a dot and an arrow so people can understand like the severity of the situation. So Bitcoin was down here 2 weeks ago, okay? Now stay all the way through. I know it's gonna be a little bit confusing at first. It's a whole different language, right? But I'm gonna, I promise you, by the end of this video, you're gonna understand what are cryptos, how to invest, and how you can get into them as well. Now, basic forex trading knowledge is, well, shit, even just in business in general, this is an uptrend, okay? Sometimes it may do something like this where it breaks. Sometimes it may do something like this. However, it's still moving up, okay? This is an uptrend. Right? This is a downtrend. Sometimes it may do this, but it initially is just moving down. And then this is just consolidation, which cryptos does a lot. Honestly, it's not like Forex. I don't trade consolidation on Forex, but cryptos, since I'm holding it for so long, I sit through the consolidation as well. And I'm going to show y'all a perfect example of consolidation and what I seen crypto doing literally years to months ago. Like, I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin as what I just seen months ago, but years ago I've been talking about crypto. I've been telling people on my social media, X, Y, and Z. Go follow me at al.wavy. That is my personal page. Digitalhustlers.loc is my business page. Yeah, because I'll be posting some free game on there too. So as y'all can see, Bitcoin was in this consolidation, like I just told y'all, and it was making liquidity. So liquidity is basically just people's money, people's stop losses. The way that average trading information is shown is literally portrayed in the negative light, so more people can get into that ecosystem of trading that way. But initially, with the banks, they use people's money, liquidity, to make more money themselves, right? So up here, it is people money. It's a strong area of support and resistance, right? That a lot of people know about that too. That's something that's talked about. I'm not gonna sit up here and talk down on support or resistance, because I know a lot of people make money off of it. But if you don't know how to use it correctly, it can cost you a lot. So look, my timer to go to listen, y'all. I've been up just so y'all can understand what's going on right now, right? It is 6 o'clock right now. I'm in Houston currently. I've been up since 12 o'clock yesterday, right? So basically 12 a.m. I got off at work at 11:50 a.m. I went to the gym, got out the gym like 4 o'clock, and I've been home, did what I had to do, and now I'm showing this video for y'all. I'm supposed to be asleep right now. My timer to go to sleep just went off. I still haven't ate since 5:30 earlier today in the morning. But, like I said, God told me to make this video. So if you are watching this video, please understand that it was put in front of you for a reason. It was put on your recommended for a reason. Your friend probably posted it on her story or his story for a reason. And you was meant to watch this, because this is literally generational wealth that we're talking about. And I don't think people understand the severity of this. And that's why I said, yo, Al, God told you to make this video. Get it done, bro. There's been a couple videos God told me to make, and they went crazy. This one, if it go crazy or not, I just know that I'm doing my due diligence, and I'm sharing information that can ultimately change someone's life 5 to 10 years from now. I'm not gonna sit up here and say 2 to 3 years, but I'm gonna show y'all these cryptos, bro. It's crazy what's happened within the last 2 weeks alone. So just imagine over the time what can really happen for you and your family, because this is the new monetary system that I'm literally gonna show y'all. Like, it's so much news out there that's talking about crypto right now. It's not even funny. But this is the thing about it, right? The news media and all of them, the mainstream, they're not gonna show that. They're not gonna show that at all. They're gonna keep people distracted on other BS that don't even really matter. Like, I don't even want to get into that either. But so yeah, I've been in Bitcoin. Like I said, the company pretty much showed me what Bitcoin was and X, Y, and Z. It was a whole different language to me, so I do understand that some people may be confused or lost. But like I said, basic trading information, as y'all can see, overall on a higher time frame, Bitcoin, it is bullish right now, right? So with that being said, if Bitcoin is bullish, that means that you want to buy into Bitcoin so your money can go up with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general. This is the first one that I'm showing y'all. So I was talking about Bitcoin around like 21K, so somewhere around here or here as well, because as y'all do see, it had a pullback. And just like I showed y'all with an uptrend, it always has a pullback, always. Okay, but I'm gonna show y'all why I believe that crypto is gonna keep going from right here, and Bitcoin necessarily, every single crypto, honestly. But let me show y'all. Like I said, this is my third time recording this, so I have to go back and reiterate everything that I said before, because first time camera wasn't recording. The time after that, I wasn't showing my screen. Bro, am I showing my screen right now? Okay, I'm showing my screen right now. We good, y'all. We good. All right. So let me go to the furthest picture that I have of Bitcoin. So as I can see, right, I'm not gonna get into detail. It says September 12th, 2022. If y'all can see, Bitcoin was at like 21K. Yeah, 21K at this time. Just coming off 19K. Well, 18K actually. So as y'all see now, Bitcoin is at 92,000. So just imagine, right? If you was to get into Bitcoin when it was at 20K and it's at 92K right now, that means that you multiply your money by 4 because the value of Bitcoin went up. So like I said before, utility. Bitcoin, you can send it to people. I can send Bitcoin to people in my family in Honduras right now, and it will take some charges and stuff like that. But if they can download Cash App, they can receive the Bitcoin, withdraw it into whatever currency they use, which is lempiras, or different places in the world. I'm just using my people for example, and it will come quick. Like think about it like Zoom, like or Zelle or Cash App. Bitcoin, or you use Bitcoin on Cash App, but I'm just saying the way you just can send money, right? So it has utility behind it. That's why you see a lot of people talking about Bitcoin now and all these big companies looking to invest. But as y'all can see, like I said, liquidity was being built up and now we're in a strong uptrend. I literally drew this line before this even happened, right? Now, next one is Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, I do trade it long term. However, I am in this day trade, you can call it. Right now, I do swing trade as well, other than just holding the cryptos. But as y'all can see, it is on the uptrend currently as well on the higher time frame. And I ultimately see Ethereum like blowing past this high within the next 2 weeks. No cap. So, like I said, I really do like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but those are like the high price high price cryptos already. The next ones that I'm gonna show y'all are all below $5. So let's say that one of these cryptos went from $5, the value of the crypto went from $5 to 100. That means that you just multiplied your money by 20. From $5 to 100 means that you just multiply your money by 20. Bitcoin is at 92K. Is at 92K. For the love of God, please understand what I'm telling y'all right now, because it sounds crazy. Like you don't have to do nothing, bro. Like the way my money has been growing within the last 2 weeks since Bitcoin shot up, it's like I'm making money and I'm not doing nothing. Basically making money in my sleep. And that's why I'm bringing this video for y'all, because digital hustlers are people that make money online, make money digitally. This is so like, bro, my grandma can get into these cryptos and make money from doing nothing, right? Because the cryptos that I'm investing into has utility behind it, like I said before. So the next one is XRP. Now this one is like my baby. Like, bro, XRP has done something crazy within the last week. So 2 weeks ago, I called XRP on my story, on my IG story. Like I said, Al.Wave, you go tap in. I called it at 55 cents, right? In 2 weeks, XRP went from 55 cents to $1.26, meaning that you just doubled your money, right? In 2 weeks with XRP. A lot of people would be like, oh, that's not a lot. Listen, if you have $50 in an account and it goes to 100 and you didn't do ultimately nothing, come on now. You're gonna be much appreciated of that. So with that being said, I really do see, I ain't gonna lie, XRP, I really see it going up there with Bitcoin, honestly. Like, it's just the utility behind it. Like I said, do your own research. It makes sense. I really do like how it's moving as well. But next one is Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin is moving very, very, very beautifully. I got in on, so Dogecoin. I'm late to Dogecoin. I don't know where I was at when Dogecoin. I probably heard of it. I just didn't invest into it. Oh yeah, it did shoot down a lot too. I think that's what I heard. But I got in at this red line, and as y'all can see, within the last week and some change, it's been just shooting up crazy. And yeah, so Dogecoin is at currently 38 cents. So if this goes to $100, bro, you just next one is Gala. Gala is more so like of like a game in crypto. Um, I like it a lot. I'm heavily investing into Gala like crazy. Like I think my crypto. Let me show y'all my crypto account. I'm not gonna show the amount that I have in there, but just know I got a couple racks. You know what I'm saying? So those people that be like, "Oh, he telling us what crypto to get into, but he not invested himself." Nah, trust me, I'm invested, and I am invested heavy. Is there a way I can not show how much money I have in here? That's tough. Wait, let me see. I think there is local currency, change language, password. Yeah, y'all. So I can't show y'all because Apple. No, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I don't want to show how much I have in that account, but like I said, just know that I got a couple racks in there, man. We got another crypto that just went up. Now these cryptos that I'm showing y'all is not all the cryptos that I'm invested into. I have way more, but yeah. So like I said, Gala, it is at 3 cents right now. Like, bro, imagine this going to 92K. Like, dog. It's like I said, this opportunity is never like, bro. This is something so crazy because anybody can do it. It don't matter who you are, where you work at, what's your background, what happened to you 5, 10 years ago. Like you can literally get into this crypto right now. And like I said, I'm gonna show you how to get into it. So stay tuned. But next one is Shiba. Shiba is, but I don't know what Shiba's at. Like honestly, I don't know what number this is. Like, but it has 4 zeros before the decimal. Well, after the decimal. So it's not even at like a cent right now. It's like I don't know what this number is. So just imagine this going to 92K. And I'm investing into Shiba a lot too. I've been investing into Shiba like since 2022, 23, no, 21. What somewhere around there. So I really do see Shiba shooting up crazy too. This one. Hey listen y'all, within the last, let me just show y'all. I ain't gonna do too much talking. So this was 19. Oh, this was this morning, right? This was this morning. So from down here, this crypto just shot all the way up here. So it went from it's not even at a cent yet. It went from 63, whatever this is, right, to 97. Meaning that if I had $630 in this crypto, it would have went up to 970 within this last whatever. This just happened since 4 a.m. It just shot up crazy. Right, having a little retracement, like I said, doesn't matter. Every single chart that I showed y'all is bullish because cryptos is going up. Right, on a lower time frame, it may be consolidation and all of that, but on a higher time frame, it is bullish. Now, to show y'all how to get into these cryptos, because I just show y'all everything that I'm in: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Gala, Shiba, XYO. I have so many more cryptos, it's crazy, but these are the ones that I'm gonna give for right now. Like I said, God just told me to show this information. You don't know who's watching this, what they may what they may be going through, and what ultimately this can do for their family, bro. So I just decided to just start recording, man. I know this is a long video, but I know that those that watch all the way to the end got some good information to it. Now, like I said, man of my word, I'm going to show y'all how to get into these cryptos. I'm not going to do a step-by-step process, or I might do another video about that, but I'm more so just going to show y'all what apps to use and which one I recommend that they're valid. Okay, so first one is crypto.com. It looks like this on your app store. So yeah, crypto.com, this is how it looks. It's like a little lion with a, what is that, a rhombus. Next one is Coinbase. It just has a fat C on it. I know y'all have seen different type of either articles, news on your social media, probably somebody posting it and stuff. But this Coinbase, like I said, a C. Then we have Uphold, which is like a air balloon, right? Cause we going up slowly but surely. I see what they did there. I just caught it onto that. But let me click the screen. Okay, so yeah, it's green and it has a air balloon on there. So pretty much all you do with cryptos is get on there, right? Download the app, get on to the little login home screen thing, make your account. It is gonna ask for your social security, probably your license, and it's just verify your identity. It's like opening up a bank, and I don't know why people don't understand this. A lot of people be like, "Oh, I'm not gonna put my social security." Bro, it's like opening up a bank account. Like it's a crypto wallet, gang. Like you have to verify your identity, because once you try to take that money out and you haven't verified your identity, you're gonna be mad. So that's what they're gonna ask you. Once you do that, then you're gonna be on the home screen, and all of these cryptos that I just showed y'all, you just have to search it up on the search bar and it'll come up. Now, investing wise, how much you should put in, that's up to you. I'm not gonna sit up here and give y'all a number, because there's times that I invest $30, there's times that I invest 50, there's times that I invest 100. It was one morning I literally threw like $350 into crypto in the morning, and I'm just now seeing returns on it. Mind y'all, that happened like a year or two ago. And that's one thing that I definitely want to ultimately say repeatedly in this video. It's gonna take time for your cryptos to go up. It's not gonna be a overnight sensation. Like, trust me. If you want to do that, get into options or forex trading if you want overnight money. Like, cryptos though is gonna be at least 5 to 10 years. I am 21 right now. By 30, I know I'm gonna be good. Why? Because I'm investing now. A lot of people be like, "Oh, I'm gonna invest next year." The next year come around. Oh, I'm gonna invest next week. The next week come around. It's just an ongoing cycle. Break that cycle today and just put $10 in it, 20, any of these coins. Now, of course, I would say invest into the smaller ones first. So that will be XYO, if I'm not mistaken, XYO, Shiba, Dodge. But all of these cryptos are gonna shoot up crazy. They all have utility. I've done my research. I done paid someone to put me on game. Got on the call with her. She taught me everything, right? Shout out to her, because she just literally I put me and my family in position that if when this monetary system kick in and all this stuff shoot up crazy, I was in there early. Imagine knowing about Bitcoin when it was at $10. This is the opportunity you have right now. Please take it. Like I said, God told me to make this video. I don't know who this may be. I don't know who's still watching. I don't know who may this be able to touch what I can change in someone's life or anything, bruh. But God told me to make this video, so that's why I'm here. This is my third time recording this, like I said. Third time. I need people to understand that, bro. Like, people would have been like, "Man, screw this. I'm tired. I'm hungry." Forget it. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to make the video later. But like I said, XYO just shot up so crazy today that I'm like, I just cannot sit up here and just keep watching all of this shoot up without telling my gang, without telling my subscribers, without telling the people that made me who I am today. I don't know why I'm losing my voice. But anywho, yeah, y'all. So once you download it, verify your identity. You literally put your Apple Pay on there or your card. I say do Apple Pay. That's what I do. With the Apple Pay, I just put my card is already on the Apple Pay and stuff. Double tap, bought it. You know what I'm saying? I just bought some crypto. Yes, actually bought like before XYO just had this big jump like crazy. I just bought some crypto yesterday. So it's like, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's just crazy like how everything is just unfolding. But we coming about 30 minutes on this video. Hopefully those that do see value in this video got into the cryptos. Like I said, $20, man. Everybody watching this video got $20 at least. Like, it's not gonna hurt you. Instead of going to go buy that game or spending that money on that girl that don't like you for real, or that guy that be ignoring you, invest into yourself. Invest into your family. Get into these cryptos. I love y'all, man. Let me show y'all how many subscribers we have on the channel right now. Really do mess with y'all, because like I said, y'all have made me into the person that I am and put me in this position to even have a voice, right? Because with Digital Hustlers sitting at 25,358 subscribers, like I said before, I appreciate every single one, the last one of y'all, for showing love and just supporting the kid, man. But like I said, that's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all stay safe out here, man. Y'all traders, y'all keep protecting the markets. DHS is out.